Winter time. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Crime Labs. I'm feeling refreshed after a nice walk with my dog, an excellent teeth cleansing session. Yes, I'm feeling quite refreshed. Shout out to today's sponsor, Crest, because who doesn't want a brighter smile? This isn't sponsored by Crest. Don't no. Anyways, we have a lot to cover. Speaking of, has anyone been watching CES? They've been uncovering a lot of interesting things, from the 360-degree AI powered body scanning health mirror, from the what else did they have? The project did this by NVIDIA. We're actually going to go over two of those things today, but I do plan to make an entire video on CES and what they're doing at the convention, because it is absolutely amazing with the technology that's coming out in 2025. But today we're going to be diving into 4K laser projectors for redefining home theaters, NVIDIA's groundbreaking AI NPCs changing gaming forever, OpenAI's latest model that might write the future of computer science grads, $300,000 personal AI machines, and smart glasses with screens built right into the frames. Let's get started. For our first topic, Hisense has introduced a new 4K laser projector that delivers exceptional sharpness and color accuracy, positioning it as a viable alternative to traditional 4K TVs. So, okay, for me, I haven't used a projector literally since grade school. You know those things that they used to show those science shows on freaking Bill Nye the Science Guy. You can finally actually operate one in your home without the use of a 4K screen. I mean, personally, for me, that's pretty cool, but who uses projectors anymore? I mean, technically, I guess you could use them for like outside events and stuff, but I don't know who's really watching stuff outside. I don't. Do you? Hey, anyways, they have advanced laser technology utilizing cutting-edge laser projection to produce vibrant and precise colors, and high resolution, offering true 4K resolution for clear and detailed images. They even have there is capable of projecting images up to 100 inches or more. So it can really enhance the home theater experience if you have a home theater. But personally, for me, like I said, I really don't think, I think this is going to be a very niche object, especially since 4K. Like, for instance, for me, I have a 4K monitor. I have some of the best movie nights with my friends on my monitor. It's pretty big, but not big enough that it's like I have to lug it around, but usually I keep it in my dorm room. It's pretty nice, but like I just said, it has a lot of different things going for it, like the 4K and the 100 inches or more. But the thing is that the optimal performance is achieved in controlled lighting environments, so excessive ambient light may affect image quality. So you still, even though it's in 4K, you still can't have a show in broad daylight, especially if it's like midday or when the sun's beaming. It's the fact of the matter is that it's still utilizing a projector that is using latest technology. So that's one of the biggest obstacles. Of course, this is a better tool to use like at night, maybe in a park. Those are some of the considerations. It's cool, it's a novelty, but I don't think it's for everyone. Alright, next, NVIDIA is advancing its AI-powered non-playable characters, also known as NPCs, by introducing the PUBG Ally, an AI teammate for PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, also known as PUBG. So, this is pretty interesting, right? Even though the game hasn't been played since, 2018, but it had a peak concurrent player count of 3.2 million, but they're coming back. They're coming back with a vengeance. They're saying, hey, we might not have 3.2 million players playing like we did back in the old days, but you know what, you don't need you don't need a real person. You can have an AI teammate, and it isn't just someone that's it isn't just artificial intelligence that maybe moves better, or it does all that, but also it has natural laser communication. It interacts with players using game-specific terminology for seamless teamwork. Now, I do believe that it does include a bit of conversation, so it can talk to you. I don't know if it talks back to you, but I believe that it does tries to communicate with you if different objectives are coming up or where it wants to go, but it also performs strategic assistance, provides real-time recommendations, locates and shares loot, operates vehicles, and engages in combat effectively. So honestly, if all your dogs, if all your homeboys, if all your homegirls said, hey man, I'm not playing that game anymore, you can have someone that strategically plays with you. So this isn't just AI that not only talks with you, but also performs under pressure for those for those pressure inducing moments, right? So it also reduces human like decision making, powered by small language models or SLMs. It is capable of planning at human like frequencies, enhancing realism. So not only is it going to enhance the way that you play, possibly make you a new player as well, but it's also going to improve the performance of everyone playing, right? You won't really, honestly, you probably won't be able to differentiate playing against a human through between a human and these AI models, which I think is very interesting that we're coming to the point where games are now influencing the way that we see or use AI or even just robots in general, because when you think of NPCs or when you think of just bots in general, they're just people that they have specific ways to play, but they aren't necessarily smart in the things that they do. So this is definitely a turning point in the way that games could be played in the future for games like Fortnite or like Marvel Rivals or maybe even League of Legends at some point. It's honestly crazy. It really is. It's fantastic. So next up we have OpenAI, and if you are a computer science major, something similar that's going to STEM, you may want to rethink your career choices. I'm just joking. Well, maybe. I don't know. OpenAI has introduced the latest AI reasoning models zero 03 and zero 03 Mini, marking a significant advancement in artificial intelligence capabilities. So these models excel in complex problem solving, particularly in coding, mathematics, and science, achieving multiple benchmarks such as a 71.7% accuracy on the SWE bench and a 96.7 on the American Invitational Mathematics Examination. The zero 03 model employs reinforcement learning to enhance its reasoning abilities, allowing it to think before generating responses. So pretty much it is acting as artificial intelligence using, pretty much using a human thinking model. This deliberate approach enables the model to plan and execute a series of intermediate steps, leading to more accurate solutions to intricate tasks. So, apparently this caused a few computer science majors to form a bit of outrage on Twitter at the introduction of this application. People saying that, oh no, they're gonna take over jobs. I mean, AI was eventually going to do that. This is nothing new. I don't think that it's going to take over an excessive amount of jobs, obviously, because many educators and professionals emphasize that AI should be used as a tool to augment human capabilities rather than replace them. So think of AI as a tool to be used rather than a replacement for your job. The smarter it gets just allows us to utilize tools more. And that's all. From 4K laser projectors and NVIDIA's AI NPCs revolutionizing entertainment to OpenAI's groundbreaking model reshaping the future, 3,000 personal AI supercomputers and smart glasses bringing screens into your frame, tech is evolving faster than ever. If you're as excited about these innovations as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting edge updates. What tech are you most hyped about? Until next time, stay curious and it's wintertime, baby. See you next time.